welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to recover eFootball 2027 account. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for the methods of how to recover eFootball account, then go through the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method, you have to recover via linked accounts. So what you have to do is, after going through this interface, you have to click on the three line over here and then click on data transfer. And after that, here you can see transfer data link to Google Play account and transfer data link to Konami ID account. So select any one of it as your choice, and after that check and you can easily recover your account from there. Next is you have to click on the circle over here in the middle and wait for some time. Now here you have to click on extras. After that, go to the support option, wait for some time, and after that click on link data. And here you can see link Konami ID. So simply click on it and this will redirect you to the next page of the Konami. So here you can see you have to click on next, and after that here you have to sign in with your username or ID. If you have, simply log in it, enter your email ID or the Konami ID you have, and then click on login, or you can use your passkey to log in. So here you have to enter your password, and if you don't have your password, you can click on forgot your password, or if you don't have your ID, then you can register over here. So but if you don't have any email ID and password, such things like that, then you can recover your account without a link. So for that, what you have to do is you can you are suggested to reinstall the app and skip the complete tutorial. After that, go to the extras or menu option, and there you have to click on support or help, and then click on contact us option. After that, you have to submit your old user ID, username, or whatever you have to verify the ownership of the Konami support, and after that you will get information about how to recover your eFootball 2027 account. So by this way you can easily recover your eFootball 2027 account. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.